channel Water Foodie Girl. I am Disha and I am in Singapore. In this video, you are going to be trying out some famous food from Singapore, which I personally like because coming and making a video here, I've come here for the third time and sharing with you some of my top favorites. कुछ ट्राई किए हैं पहले और कुछ नया ट्राई कर रहे हैं. So I hope you like this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and I'll be going to show you what all is there. So if you're wondering what is this line for, this is the Tian Tian. Basically, it's the only Michelin star hawker stall which has been awarded Michelin star. So this is a place that I discovered. It's like Onde where you have tapioca cake. I mean, this looks delicious. I mean, look at that. Tapioca is basically हमारे हिंदी में बोलते हैं इसको साबूदाना. उसका केक बनाया हुआ है. And it is $0.80 for per piece. So you can see this. Looks beautiful. This is the auntie here who is preparing it. Oh my god, I think you can't see her. Purchased one beautiful cake for $1.10. And this is the auntie. Auntie, say hi. Hello. And amazing this looks like. I've never had a sabudana cake. हम लोग के इसमें sabudana खिचड़ी से लेके सब कुछ बनता है. But this is sabudana cake here. This is the tapioca cake. This is how it looks like. Okay, now let's give this a try. Hey. Sorry guys, but I don't know. मुझे वो नहीं जमा उसका taste. A little weird. I don't know why. I'm so sorry. I'm not hurting anything here, but it didn't suit me. So this is Tian Tian that I was talking about, and you can see the big line here. Okay, and that is why, because it's just 9:30 here. अगर आप 10, 10:30, 11 बजे तक आओगे ना, you are going to be like, bro, what is this line? Like 1 किलोमीटर तक लाइन चलती है इसकी. मैं 2 बार आई हूँ मैक्सवेल और मुझे कभी ये खुला नहीं मिला. Now he is here. So first let me explain you what is Hainanese chicken. This is a $6 plate, okay, जिसके ऊपर आपको you have really good succulent chicken along with fragrant rice, okay. It is kind of similar to jasmine rice and they have a Hainanese sauce, and if you want a little bit spicy then you can have this along with that. So let's give this a try. Let's start this, okay. So you take one succulent chicken, okay, with some rice. Look at that. Beautiful. That sauce is salty, well balanced with the chicken. Chicken में basically मैं आपको बताऊँ कुछ भी मसाला नहीं है. It's just very basic chicken, boiled chicken, but so freaking soft and succulent. I have no idea what chicken this is, but it's amazing. And you know what's the best part? Is this rice. Superb, superb. Now if you try this with a little bit of spicy thing, मैं ना try करके देखती हूँ राइस के साथ. Oh, bro, it's spicy. It's just not why Tian Tian is awarded the Michelin star. There is a reason to it. It is delicious. Oh my god, loved this. Like, I can travel again just to have Hainanese chicken. This is the pineapple drink you can take for $2. I mean, it's basic drink with some pineapple pieces. So let's give this a try. Bro, wow, भाई क्या चीज़ है यार ये. It's delicious. ये जैसा आपको लगता है ना कि pineapple piece और soda ऐसा नहीं है. It's delicious. Oh my god. And now I can't wait to show you one of my favorite coffees here. Now you ask me in the entire market, this is the lady that I always get my coffee from. Hi. Hello guys. She makes one of the best coffees at Maxwell. So you should actually try it out. Now, this coffee is bap of all. I mean, $1.70 for this coffee. It's insane, bro. Pure addiction to this coffee. I can't even tell you. I can't. If you see the excitement and my voice, you will understand that why am I so obsessed with this coffee. It is like the best. Try it out with that lady and tell her to make it less sweet, then you will get exactly the perfect taste like I have. So now you know what is the hype about Tian Tian. Look at that line, bro. So we've come to Liho, okay, which is one of the most leading brand in Singapore, and we have taken the salted caramel milk Da Hong Pao tea, okay, for around $4.40, and let's give this a try. This is basically tea and milk. Oh my god, this is epic. If you trust me, you should take the 25% sugar they have. अब मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ, उनके पास है ना लेयर्स है जहाँ पे आप 50% sugar, 25% sugar. This is 25% sugar and it is so good. Please उससे ज़्यादा मत लो, it will become too sugary for you. So guys, this is the double chocolate one. Thought of trying this out also. It's nice, but तुझे ये अच्छा लगा ना ज़्यादा?
The boba tea one was better.
The Hanong tea one.
Milky.
And chocolatey. So I am here at Tong Fa Maze. आपको Google Map का description में मैं link दे दूँगी नीचे, so don't worry about that. Here we are going to, so basically let me brief you that Singaporean food culture is more about pork and beef. If you are an Indian or an Hindu and do not have pork or beef, that's completely okay. You do have chicken options also here to start up with that. And this is goddamn their menu. Oh my god, look at the menu card. उसमें से we have ordered like 3 stuff. So let me show you. It's basically vegetarian and chicken का mix because I'm a practicing Hindu, so I don't consume beef. But I do consume pork. But मेरे friends यहाँ पे pork नहीं खा रहे, so that's the reason मुझे भी खाने नहीं है. So guys, this is the chicken wings. This is the garlic broccoli, and this is the fried noodles with mushroom and vegetables. Looks great. We start with broccoli, fried broccoli with garlic sauce. Okay. Smell wise, oh my god, garlic guys. Love it. Perfectly blanched broccoli with that butter and garlic. It's a little salty, like a slight of saltiness. Too good guys, too good. Amazing, loved it. This guys, look at this. Look at the noodles. Lovely. What a lovely glaze. Trying out the noodles here. Let's give this a try. Wow. A lovely glaze of oil on that. Slight, I can feel the fish sauce in this, though it is vegetarian. There's a slight fish sauce to it. They've, I think, added really good crispy burnt cabbage and all. Oh my god, this is too good. And let me tell you, the mushrooms that they have used is basically looks like oyster mushroom. No, wait, portobello mushrooms. Let's give this a try. One of the both mushrooms. This is wow, epic. And this is chicken wings. Let's give this a try. Now if you're wondering कि इतना छोटा क्यों है compared to India, because यहाँ पे लोग antibiotics वगैरह use नहीं करते हैं, तो flesh थोड़ा कम ही रहता है usually. Glazed with lot of salt and pepper. Okay, and they have given this fried mirchi also with it. If you can have it, superb this is. And look, you can see the meat, how juicy and succulent this looks. Wow. And the layer is actually made up of 100% rice batter, because इतना crispy usually rice batter से ही आता है. Wow. कैसा है?
Very nice. For $1, I think it's worth it. Very nice.
This is how beautifully the mosque looks, and this is the street here that you can have Matlab, there's a lot of shopping here, especially and mostly 90% owned by Muslims here, and they are migrated from different Muslim nations and the Middle Eastern countries that you can see. And this is typically the street of that. And here you mainly have Middle Eastern food. You can see baklava, you can have shawarmas, you can have hummus, you can have so many more stuff here, which is basically from the Middle Eastern country. Anyone try the Turkish ice cream? Oh, भैया घंटी नहीं बजा रहे हैं. Tang. घंटी बजा दिया. So guys, you can try this fun thing that Anushka is doing here.
I did. Once try करना चाहिए.
So we are here at Din Tai Fung, which is a very popular place, which is very popular for their Shillong Bao. So most of you who don't know what is Shillong Bao is basically called a soup dumpling. Most yummiest thing on planet Earth in my opinion, because it's something I love and it's very, very unique. I really don't know how they make it. Plus they have a live open kitchen here where you can see like the Shillong Bao. So this is a Shillong Bao. So the traditional way to eat this is that you have to make a hole in this so that all the soup actually comes out of this, as you can see. Drink the soup, and then if you want you can add some chili oil because I like it spicy. I'm adding some chili oil in this. Lots of chili oil. Be extremely careful because it's going to be extremely hot. And then you wow. यहाँ पे आपको बहुत सारे varieties of real good Chinese food मिलते हैं. You have Malay, you have Thai also. And look at this space, bro. It is so good. I mean, there's so many stalls here. This is like a little bigger than Maxwell. This is my second ever hawker place I've come. So now let's give this a try and let's try out the yummy food here. The first place we are going to be trying out is the place called for in 1950s coffee, and we are going to be trying out the ice milk coffee. Look at this. Traditionally the way coffee is done in China, and here they add a lot of ice and topped up because basically the coffee is hot here, so they put it on dollop of ice. And look at that, uncle is doing it in a very beautiful manner. And this cafe is there since, this place is actually there since 1950s because वो नाम में ही लिखा हुआ है इनका. And now they will be pouring it. Wow, superb that looks. This is the coffee how it looks like, and I've taken the stronger version with less sugar. Oh wow. What a sexy dose of caffeine in the morning, actually afternoon, and I just love this. Also, this is different from what I had in Maxwell Hawker Center also. This is very strong. It is like iced Americano with a little bit of condensed milk. That's it. So I'm going to be trying out this, basically chicken noodles, and this is how it looks like. And they have the kampung chicken rice and a lot of things here. Auntie is going to make. She's just boiling the rice over there, so it's going to take a little while. So this has fried chicken topped with some really good sauce along with rice and fried egg. And this is fried rice, if you can see, like chicken fried rice with lot of eggs. And Anushka is trying this out. कैसा लग रहा है? अनुष्का के मुंह से अगर आपको सच में लग रहा है कि उसको पसंद आया है, that means give it a try because she has a very Indianized taste. So I'm going to be trying out the egg chicken fried rice here. I'm not a very rice person when it comes to fried rice, but I kind of like noodles more than this. It's going to soft, it's juicy. Sauce a try a little bit. Mm. Lovely tossed must fried rice hai. The egg doesn't have that eggy taste that you have in India. Really good, damn good, damn good. So mine and my friends' taste is very different here because I am used to Asian food. I'm used to trying out different food. For them, it's a very new experience when they have come here. It's very different on their palate. They've never had such a soy sauce or maybe such type of an egg or something like that. It's very happening that they are eating and they're enjoying the food also. And now we're going to be taking our noodles. This is for $4 and you get a soup with this along with some sauce that you can try out, and this is how it looks like. Look at this. Just worried about my white shirt because I'm very clumsy, nothing else. Wow. Spicy. As I told her to make spicy. These are egg noodles. These are thin egg noodles. Lovely taste. Oh wow. Very different from what I've had till now. It's like basically chili oil. Sesame oil का भी taste थोड़ा सा आ रहा है. Chicken is soft and succulent. I'll also give this chilies a try. हाँ ये ले इधर है.
I didn't like it.
I tried egg tart in Japan, so I really wanted to see how this is. Less sweet for my liking, but the texture looks really good if you can see. It's not bad, but it's just less sweet. Yeah. To all let you know, the weather here is very unpredictable. Like abhi tak to dhoop tha and abhi ho gaya hai. And the next place we've come to is Uncle's Cart. Now, why is he so famous? Because firstly, he's very old, standing here since ages. And now they use this rainbow bread, which is a sweet bread. And Anushka has ordered for choco chip. And now let's give it a try. And now he is going to be, yes, give. Anushka is helping out with for the Instagram because dono size alag hai.
Say hi.
And
Hi. Say hi.
hello. This is how it looks like. Wow. Wow, look at this, yeah. Something very different but very yummy. So guys, we have come to this place called as Trattoria Luca. Okay, when we were searching for good pizza places, this was the one that popped up. And the first thing that the lady orders is some wine. Ma'am, which wine is this?
It's a
Vino Rosso. Okay, so this is the wine. Let's give this a try and see how it is. So you first swirl it. जब मुझे hotel manager में सिखा गया था. So you should swirl it. Smell it. Wow. And this is. Oh my God.
पूरा मत पीस यूज करने के लिए चाहिए.
This is delicious. It's not dry on your throat. Wow, this is so good. It's a little tint of sweetness, but it's not a rosé type of sweet, but it's really good. So Anushka is trying out. What is that?
So yum.
क्या है?
Cocktail like although it's very nice. Very nice.
How their bruschetta looks. Not very great. Very fresh tomatoes, cold tomatoes. Has a good taste of pepper. Though I feel the balsamic vinegar is not hitting. Usually रहना चाहिए and it has to have some basil. Basil बहुत थोड़ा लगा है. So this is the pappardelle pasta. If you see, what is the pappardelle pasta? Is like a type of pasta. जैसे fettuccine होता है, spaghetti होता है. Pappardelle is like a thin based pasta which is kind of like a spaghetti but a thicker version. This is the pizza. It has a lot of zucchini, mushroom, artichoke, and arugula rocket leaves. So this is how the pizza is. Okay, it has a lot of. Oh wow! Look at that, bro! Look at that. Wow! I need some rocket leaves on that because I personally love rocket leaves. Look at that! Look at that! Wow! ओके ना, ये उठाने के लिए थोड़ा टाइम लग रहा है गाइस, 1 मिनट. ओके, दिस इज हाउ इट इज. सॉरी. ओह वाओ. You also have बैंगन, which is also called as eggplant. As you can see, eggplant है इसके अंदर. So let's give eggplant a try. Lovely crust. The sauce is epic. I'm going to order more sauce. Cheese is creamy. Wow. Bro, what is this here? Too good. Trying out the pasta here. These are some artichokes. So let's give tiramisu a try. Oh wow. We need one more, Anushka. बहुत अच्छा है. So this has a lovely kick of alcohol. The sponge is so soft. It's like velvety, soft, wet, and the cocoa dust on it, along with that chocolate and that coffee kick. Chumishwar. So guys, I hope you like this video. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and share it with everyone who loves food and want to try new food. This is the end of part 1 of Singapore series. Part 2 is going to be there, so make sure you follow and subscribe. Okay, bye.